filming me right now?
Yeah.
I'm breaking into my own house is what I'm doing. That's locked. Just let me know when it's going.
Let's go.
Are we? We're good?
Yeah.
So this is episode 2.
Yeah.
Episode 2 of the vlog, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys checked out the first one, you've been watching. I thought it would be cool to do a walkthrough of our projects. You know, so many people ask what's the difference between selling real estate and doing flips, and they're totally different sides of the company. So it's been a beautiful morning here. It's about 50 degrees outside right now. I just came from a home inspection. You get to see how these days start. See, my wonderful videographer, Mike, who's filming me right now, he decided to go to the wrong address this morning completely. So I waited for him for about a half an hour. And then as you can see right here, once we get up to get our keys not on purpose. He's not that bad all the time. And then we get to the key box, and my contractor has taken not 1, not 2, but all 3 of our keys out of the lockbox. So now I have this wonderful house that I own that I can't even get inside right now, and he's telling me he can't find the keys. So that was my last call. It looks like my contractor just got fired and we need a new painter. So if you paint and you want to reach out to us, we're gonna have to get that finished up. I was gonna show you the progress to the house. Almost everything was done inside. The kitchen was about to go in, the tile was in, the floors have been refinished. I don't know if maybe we can poke our head in the back window or do a walk around, we'll see, but we got 3 today. So worst case, you don't get to see in this one. This one's in Chester. It's gonna be listed here in a couple weeks, but you get to see us run through the process. You can see there's a new roof on it. The windows were supposed to go in. I guess I need to call my window guy and find out if he can get in some other way. Are you filming right now? Are we filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're watching the vlog right now, what you'll realize is that if he doesn't edit it out, it's going to be 90% phone calls and like 10% content. Anyways, we're back at it. This is the back deck. We're actually going to be subdividing the back lot. So this actually runs into another neighborhood. So something else we do is land and lots and things like that. So if you've ever wondered into what it takes to split a lot off to start a subdivision, it's a very rigorous process. It's not an easy process to do, but it's really cool. So it's one of those things that a lot of people don't touch. A lot of realtors just sell real estate, but again, we do subdivisions, we do land, we do flipping, we do rentals, we do the sales. I don't know if you can get in here at all. Can you see it? Does it show anything?
A little bit.
A little. So you can see our tile work's there. It's still a mess in there. Our wood floors are done. We got about 2 weeks on this one. We'll be finished. But anyways, let's head to the next one. We got 3 in line, so we'll shoot over there right now. So I'm in between houses right now, filming our 2nd vlog episode. Hopefully you can hear me over the car. A lot of people have asked, why do a vlog? Why do a video blog at all? And it really comes down to just hopefully answering a lot of the questions that we get on a daily basis from people. People are always asking us, you know, how did you get into flipping? How did you get into doing rentals? What does it take to be a flipper? What does it take to be a real estate agent? The transactions, how often are you working? Right, is it early days? Is it late nights? Where are you getting your contractors? What are you having to do to most of these flips? So hopefully this is a nice inside scoop into kind of what we do, how we do it. We just came from one house just now. The keys were missing, so now on to number 2. This one is probably about 80% done. If I had to guess, we have some floors that need to go in and some tile work, but then after that we're finished, and then we'll head to one in the city that we did in addition to. That was a complete gut job. Permits, building permits, additions, everything. That one is actually about a week out, so hopefully that'll give you a good idea of what these things are like once they fully come together. All right, we're back. Stop number 2, is that where we're at?
Yeah.
Yeah, just made phone calls all the way over to tell my contractors to stop going to the other house because we're locked out. I'm trying to get a locksmith on the phone, I guess. This one is hopefully a prettier sight. Hopefully I'll be able to get into this house, we'll see. So this one, if you look on the outside, I mean, you probably think, like, what are you even flipping? This looks amazing. And for the most part, yeah, we did not have to do anything on this one. So whereas that last one I had mentioned, you know, roof, HVAC units, windows, kind of all these major things, this one's more what I like to call a lipstick flip. So the outside was good. It was built in, you know, 2000, 2001. So the roof is brand new. In fact, one of the HVAC units is brand new. So really, this is just interior. There was tenants living here, so we pretty much came in. We're doing all new floors. We redid the kitchen. We gutted the bathrooms, so we'll have new tile and all of there. New carpet, new paint, new light fixtures. I haven't been here in a bit though, so we'll see what it looks like. Let's see, is it working? Ah, beautiful. I like it. We got new appliances going in. We already have a new dishwasher, but granted, it's a little bit dirty. But as you can see, we've got nice appliances already that are about to go in. All the carpet, you see we got new lighting that just went out. Cabinets we redid. These were not replacements. These were the originals, but they're in such good shape that sometimes we're able to paint them. So that's an option if you're looking to even sell your house. Sometimes it's much easier to refinish than it is to do a full sale. If you look in here, same thing, old cabinet. We just refinished it in white. We'll put some marble on top. It'll look great. We're gonna refinish all these wood floors. Ooh, look at this. I like it. Nice dining room fixture. So master, our carpet's not in yet, but as you can see, everything's painted. It's all a neutral color. It's agreeable gray by Sherwin-Williams. If you're a realtor out there, you're saying, oh my God, more agreeable gray, but it's just kind of the most neutral tone out there. It's pretty easy. So you see here, this is kind of what we do. We gut an entire bathroom. So we'll put a new vanity in, we'll put marble on top, we'll have all new tile floors, and then we will tile all the way to the ceiling, but looks like most of our lights are in. It's looking really good. Nice big walk-in. You see that light? See what's walk-in? My light's not working, but and look at the his. Here's the his. So you see the hers?
Yeah.
And that's the his.
Oh.
That's normally how this goes. But
does the toilet stay in the middle here?
yeah. We like to do toilets. People, you know, even if they're in good shape, it's one of those things. I'm sure you at home appreciate the fact of a new toilet over an old used one in a flip, right? A new home. We're gonna make it new. We'll give you a new place a new throne as well. Third floor, we've got some recessed lighting. We've got some LED lights now, so a nice play area. So. Checking the backyard, not much going on here. Obviously, again, it was a nice house to begin with, so we may stain the deck or power wash it when it's new. It's fully fenced in, quiet neighborhood. So you'll see our price points are kind of all over the map too. Some of our flips we kind of churn over and we sell, and they may be sub 200,000. I find that probably the average is about 225 to 275 for our flips, but this one's probably going to be priced around 285 when it's done. The next one we're going to go to should be about 250, but the last two we've sold have actually been 315, 320. So we'll do anything. We've even done up to $500,000-$600,000, but yeah, that's about it. You ready to head to the next one?
On to the next.
Rosewood, we're down in the city now. This one was a project. This one was my nightmare house. So we're at Rosewood Avenue now. We just, oh, hold on. Hey, what's up, Ty? All right, again, try this again. It's like the fourth time. So we're at Rosewood now. This was my nightmare house. This house I bought while I was in Asia. I went to Asia twice last year, and I never saw it. I bought it, I thought, how bad can it be? And it was worse than I had even imagined. We are, if you can believe it, 1 week out from being done with this house. So if you follow us on social media, you've probably seen me do some live posts from here. really all that we're waiting on now is floors. The wood floors go in, and then once the wood floors go in, we can put in the finishings, the vanities, the lights, faucets, everything like that. So it was originally a 1-bedroom house, or 2-bedroom house, 1 bath. Where you look right here, there used to be a door going into a 2nd bathroom, a Jack and Jill, but that really didn't give you a master suite. It really didn't give you closet space. So essentially what we did was closed off this bathroom. Mike, you can get in and take a look. I haven't even seen it yet, actually. That looks awesome. Okay, so we did all new tile work all through the vanity and toilets going in this week, the lights, but we made this its own bathroom for this bedroom. We don't have lights, so I'm hoping your camera's got a flash. I'm really gonna step on this if I can. Can you flash it or no?
We got it.
I don't know if you can check that out. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, we did a blue subway tile, like a 4x12. Did a nice mosaic white floor.
You were staying there. Look around and you were crossing the street. Took a breath and I walked up to you. Asked the darling, when can we meet?
So what was interesting about this house, and we're gonna be doing a patio and everything like that, so it'll come together and look even nicer when it's done. You may say, well, it's not much to look at right this second, but when we bought this house, there was a towering tree that was all up into the power lines in the back. There was a tree right where I'm standing, that's gone now. And there was a shed in the back here. So you couldn't even see the alleyway. There was a fence up in this giant shed that had just grown into the fence with trees and plants. And you would be amazed at what people will do if you put something online for free. Because we just put it on Facebook Classifieds as a free shed. I met nobody out here. I could have done it for anybody's shed. They could have just stolen any shed. And within an hour, there was 3 people out here fighting for this shed. And they pulled the fence out, they pulled the shed out. I mean, come look at this alley. I don't even know how they did it. I almost wish I was here just so that I could have watched it happen. Because if you look at this alley, and now you can imagine getting a giant pickup truck with a giant trailer in here, and then having to finagle the shed off of the lot. I don't know how they did it or what they did, but now it's amazing. Again, before you couldn't even see the house. So where we're standing, if you pulled a car back here, you saw nothing. And now you can look and you can see everything's clear. So Carytown area, fan, I mean, you're pretty much right at Bird Park, right at the Kicker Stadium, right at Carytown. 250,000, something like that's gonna be the price point. So to have pretty much a brand new house. I mean, literally, your joists are new, your floors are new, all of the drywall is new. We gutted it down to the studs. All the electrical, windows, siding, roof, HVAC, kitchen, bathrooms, you name it, it's new. So yeah, this is a really good gauge to be able to see what the houses that we take where they are just complete gut jobs, what they turn into after. So hopefully this has given you guys a good insight into the world of flipping a little bit. I'd love to hear your comments and questions. So whether you're watching this on Facebook, you may be watching it on our YouTube channel, wherever you're at, please post up below. If there's something that you want to see, if there's something that would interest you, whether it's rentals, whether it's investing, whether it's first-time home buying, flipping, whatever it may be, you let us know, and we will have something on it at some point, I assure you. So anyways, this was vlog 2. Thank you for watching. I am Jared Davis with the Davis Group. You can reach out to us anytime at 804-536-6100, and we'll be coming to you with vlog 3 very soon.
Just gonna stay here and wait.